time for Jamie's yoga adventures.
This episode is called Slow Day.
Hello, I'm Jamie. This is my tree house. Are you ready to do some yoga? Amazing! Just copy the moves I do and enjoy the adventure.
Let's all blow a great big bubble, arms wrapped round, just like a cuddle. We'll try the moves and feel the glow. It's sparkle time. Let's go, go, go. Swirly spins and wobbly knees, shimmying shoulders, big strong trees. It's time for adventure. Just follow me. Let's find the glow rings. 1, 2, 3.
Let's have fun collecting them together. Will you help me? Great!
Let's get ready to go. We wiggle and we jiggle and we go with the flow. Clap hands, we're ready to go. Together we'll all find our glow.
Hello, Glow. We're ready to go.
Hi, I'm Sunny. It's great to meet ya. I'm Pocket by name and Careful by nature.
My name's Max. I put on a show.
Just call me Go. I go with the flow.
Come on, Wunzies. Here we go.
Let's get ready to go. We wiggle and we jiggle and we go with the flow. Clap hands, we're ready to go. Together we'll all find life's better when we find together. We'll all find our glow.
We've landed in feel-good fields. It's great to be close to nature. Hiya, goat.
Oh, hey, Jamie. Hello, you. Do you know what today is? Do you?
We don't know. What's today?
Well, I thought it would be cool to make today Slow Day, so we can all relax.
Slow day. That's a brilliant idea. Count us in.
Great! All you have to do is move really slowly. Beep, boop.
We can do that, can't we? Let's do a slow-mo, mellow, hello, sun. Ready? We slowly stretch all the way up to wave and say, hello, sun.
Hello, sun.
Now we fold all the way forward, slow as we go, to say hello, Earth. We place our hands down and slowly step one foot back and the other foot back to come into a slow-mo dog pose. We take a big breath in and do a long, slow breath out, going...
Wow. If only everyone could be that slow.
We slowly walk our hands all the way back to our feet and roll up to stand.
Hiya, Jamie. Salutations, Max fans.
Hi, Max. Happy slow day.
Slow day? What's that? I'll bet I'll be amazing at it.
OK, Max, let's try slowing down with some tumble-dryer breaths. Bringing our pointy fingers in front of our mouths, we take a big breath in, and now we blow long and slow as we slowly spin our fingers round and round each other. That's it. Terrific tumble dryers, everyone.
I don't think it's working.
There's only one thing for it. We're going to use my magic speed dial.
What's that?
It's my brand new invention. It'll hopefully help Max slow down a bit.
What a good idea. I'm so full of energy that it'd need something special to slow me down.
Uh-oh. I think I've turned it up too high.
Hey, this is great.
I'll try turning it the other way. I think I twisted it too hard.
We've never seen Max go that slowly before. He looks like a ballet dancer. Let's do our dancer pose. Oh, look! Dancer pose is our first glow move. Let's go, go, glow. Standing tall, we catch our foot in our hand. Oh, try not to wobble as we raise our other arm up to the sky. Now we kick, kick, kick our foot into our hand, leaning forward a little into our wonderful dancer pose. Woohoo! Wow! We did it! Well done. Lowering back to stand. How are you getting on, Goat?
Not great. Max is totally frozen. And now I can't turn the dial at all. It just won't budge.
Is it unbelievable?
It looks like it needs some oil to unstick the dial. We need some oozy juice from the oozy woozy tree at Bubble Lake. But how shall we get there? By rocket, helicopter, or sticky mud walk? How about today we take the chopper helicopter? Yeah! You stay here and look after Max, Goat. We'll be back soon.
Good luck!
Standing with our feet together, turning to the side, bending our knees, arms wide, we get ready for takeoff, jumping our feet wide and spinning our propellers side to side, saying chopper, 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 chopper. And there's the oozy woozy tree. We just need our trusty watering can to collect the juice. So let's do our watering can pose. Standing with our feet nice and wide, we turn our toes to the side and stretch our arms wide. We bring our back hand onto our hip to be our handle, and we make sprinkly fingers with our front hand. Yes! Now let's turn and do it on the other side. Standing tall, turning our toes to face the other way. Our back hand goes onto our hip to be our handle, and we stretch our other arm forward, making sprinkly fingers. That's it! Keep going! Fantastic! Jumping our feet together and lowering our arms. Now it's time to get the juice from the oozy woozy tree into the watering can. And to do that, we need to sing a special juicy song on the guitar. Oh, look! Guitar pose is glow move number 2. Ready? Here we glow again. Let's use our guitars to sing our oozy juicy song. Coming down to sit on our bottoms, legs out long, we take hold of one of our legs and hold our ankle with one hand and strum with the other hand. Hello, oozy woozy tree, we don't want a cup of tea. We just want some oozy juice. So please be kind and shake some loose. We got the glow! And look! We got some blobs of oozy juice too. Let's get back to fix Goat's magic speed dial with some sticky mud walks. Up we come to stand. We take a big step forward, going squelch, and bring opposite elbow to knee, and step it back. And the other side, squelch, and our other elbow to knee, and step it back. Let's keep stepping and squelching. Squelch, 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 squelch.
Hey, Jamie.
Hey, Goat. We just had a squelch-tastic mud walk. Now, where did that watering can get to? Ah, there it is. Don't worry, Max. We got the oozy juice. Look.
Hooray!
Now we have to get it onto the magic speed dial. Standing with our feet nice and wide, we turn our toes to the side, our arms wide. We bring our hand onto our hip to be our handle, and we make sprinkly fingers with our front hand. Now we pour, reaching all the way forward and tilting all the way down to pour. Great pouring, everyone.
That's it, Jamie. It's looking good.
Now we just need to move the dial back to normal speed. We need to twist and twirl the dial just like we do when we stir our porridge. So let's do our porridge pose. Oh, look! Porridge pose is our final glow move. Let's glow for it. Coming down to sit on our bottoms, legs out wide. We take hold of one of our feet as we twist and twirl and stir it.
It's working!
Phew-wee! Oh, thanks, everybody!
That's all 3 rings. We did it. Can you feel the glow? How do you feel now, Max?
Great! It was nice taking things slowly for a change.
Well, I loved Slow Day, but I don't think it's for everyone.
Hey, I've got an idea. Why don't we catch up with Sunny and Pocket and play football with the crabs? At normal speed.
Yeah, great idea.
That sounds like fun, Wunzies. Up we come to stand. And I think it's about time for us to go home too. Bye, Max. Bye, Goat.
Bye, Jamie.
Bye.
We wave goodbye and head for home. The Wunzies helped us all to feel the glow. It's there inside of you and me. We found the rings. 1, 2, 3. We did it, we've all found our glow. We wiggled and jiggled and went with the flow. Breathe deep, we're taking it home. Together we all share the glow. Breathe deep. How do you feel now? Can you feel the glow inside you? I know I can. That feeling is ours to keep. We had a great adventure today too, didn't we? Goat loved to go slow, but Max preferred things fast. We all like to work at different speeds, and that's okay. Let's come to sit with our legs crossed, ready to enjoy some tickle time. Reaching our arm all the way up and over, we take our other arm round and we tickle, tickle, tickle up our stretchy side into our tickly arm. Now we go the other way, reaching up and over and tickle, tickle, tickle into our other arm. Now we stretch our legs long and we tickle, 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 little squeeze above the knee. Oh, and I think that's enough tickling for one day. We cross our legs, sit up tall, we close our eyes and we take a nice deep breath. Opening our eyes. Time to go. Now we always finish in the same way, by bringing our hands together at our hearts and saying our special yoga code word, which is Namaste. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. Well done. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.